welcome to another video from Darren Higgy, Hornby GWR. I've got some things came through the post. Hornby has been doing a special discount, 50% discount. Time you watch this, probably they've sales finished, but I got this for a good price and some other bits and bobs. On the last video I reviewed of the pub, I did ask, would you like to see me do the scenery stuff, like me putting the glue down, plus also the grass down and putting some ballast down round on my board, what's behind me. So I just wanted to know what you wanted to say, so please leave the comments below if you want to see that. If not, I will not do it. So it depends on how many people who want to see me do it, how many people who don't want me to see it. I bought another tub of this glue anyway. You can see it said £14. I actually bought this in the sale for £7, so really good price. So, and trap pins and a point motor. So, but we're not on that subject. We are looking at finally the Victorian end of Terrace house, right hand. So basically, a couple of videos ago, we looked at the left hand side. Now we're going to see the right hand side. There'll be another video coming up about the middle house, goes in the middle. And yes, this is a huge shock to you. I did say in the last video there'll be maybe some videos coming, maybe not until as on the Palace, but this is a huge shock when it came to me. So further ado, this is in the Scaledale range and the product numbers are R7351, and you can see what it says, by Hornby, and I'll put the price, how much it would cost and stuff like that. So it's this side here we are looking at. So this hasn't been out of the box. So further ado, let's get it out of the box and have a good look at it and see what would it looks like. Because we looked at the left hand side, we haven't had a chance to look at is the right hand side. So move the polystyrene, and yes, I've got the thing upside down. Easiest pie, he says. I don't want to break the polystyrene, so the top bit comes away. What fits in there. So that's the end of that. Struggle there. Trying to get my words out. Mind the polystyrene bits everywhere. So this is the right hand house one. We'll finish that set. So then there will be the middle bit here, and then that'd be completely it. So this is basically the front of the building, of the house. Nice detail on the roof of the bricks. You could weather it up if you want to, make it a bit more dirty. Like a bird's been sitting on here and accidentally poops on the roof. You could do something like that. But the detail is lovely. I can't describe it. But it will look nicer when there's actually a light bulb inside. As you can see, Hornby Hobbies Limited 2022. So that's something interesting. Would be a sticker somewhere saying made. Here you go. Made in China. If the camera wants to refocus on that. So yeah. So this is, you get a blue door, this one. So all I can say is when you get all this set up, what you saw in the picture in the box, you will enjoy having the full house set up of that. And all I can say is a huge thank you to watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please share it to your friends, family. Please leave me a comment, and please hit that notification bell, and please leave me the comments below. Thank you. Right, guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.